Hello mga kabibig, welcome back sa ating bagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay ng YouTuber sa balat ng YouTube. Ako si Kabibig, maglebak-lebak na tayo with evidence. Ano itong nasagap kong balita? Hindi pala maganda ang relationship ni Risa Hontiveros, ni Leni Robredo at ni Trillanes. Kasi ang nasagap kong balita na tela walang pakialam si Risa Hontiveros sa pagtakbo bilang mayor ni Leni Robredo sa Naga. Tela hindi na-endorse itong si Leni Robredo sa pagkasenador. Tapos, wala man lang imik itong mga Pinklawan leaders sa pelikula ni Leni Robredo. 'Di ba? Yung kulay, ano ba yung yung pelikula ni Leni, yung kanyang struggle and fight during election, hindi daw ito pinanonote ni Risa Hontiveros. Kaya, maraming mga netizen ngayon ang naka-observe na tila may something fishy, something a little spark fire between Risa Hontiveros, Leni Robredo at ni Trillanes. At tela nagpaparinig na itong si Trillanes kay Leni Robredo. Ito mga kabibig ha, i-share ko sa inyo. May nakita akong post ni Crisette Laureta Chu. Ano yung kabibig? Naku, alam niyo naman si Crisette, maraming baong chismis, di ba? So babasahin ko sa inyo mga kabibig para makinig kayo. Ito ang istorya ni Crisette Laureta Chu. Sige, i-share ko para makita nyo na hindi ako naglebak-lebak. May ebidensya talaga itong lebak-lebak with evidence natin. Eto kapipig. Dear Kakampings, I know you keep saying buo pa rin kayo unlike the Uniteam. Thank you Martin Romualdez. But here's the harsh truth. Hindi talaga si screenshot. O nasaan yung screenshot? Ito yung screenshot. Sabi dito, kasi nag-post si BP Sara, di ba? Meron siyang statement. Sabi ni Sonny Trillanes, ayan, may prior coordination talaga. I have the same info. The meeting was arranged days before and nagpalinis pa ng bahay the other day. Sad. So, nalungkot si Trillanes. At para yatang parang na-feel ni Trillanes sa trinidor siya ni Leni Robredo. Ito pa mga komento ni Trillanes. Ang dami. Kung ayaw niya talaga, hindi mangyayari yung meeting yan. Ayan. Ito pa. Ma'am Leni, gusto nga namin ipa-impeach si VP Sara. Tapos binastos pa niyan si Sen Risa. Bakit mo pa minute? Are you siding with her? Now to the diehard things, VP Leni should not be beyond criticism. Kahit saan mo tingnan, mali ang pakikipag-meeting niya kay Sara. Oh, yan kabibig ha. Ito kasi ang sabi ni Crisette. Ito, sayin natin ha. There is undercurrent that is increasingly becoming obvious of tension between Leni and Risa and Trillanes. For the past few weeks, he's been low-key shading Leni. Hala. So parang pinaparinggan ni Trillanes si Leni. And here his newest tirade against her after she met with Sara, where Trillanes claims that Leni knew of Sara's visit beforehand, as in days, nagpalinis pa nga. And not what Barry Gutierrez make it appear that it was impronto visit. Personally, I believe it's pre-planned. If Sara is an enemy, would you allow your enemy to just drop in at your house? Oo nga, no? Kung ayaw mo talaga ni Sara, meron ka pang grudges at bitterness sa puso si Leni Robredo kay Sara, hindi talaga niya kakausapin si Sara. She will find a way na hindi sila mag-meet. Pero feel ko talaga itong si Madam Lenlen ba, naka-move on na. Pero itong si Trillanes at si Risa, parang ayaw pa rin mag-move on. Parang kung galit sila kay Sara, dapat si Leni galit din kay Sara. Di ko alam anong kasalanan ni Leni sa kanya at galit siya. Pero kapal ng mukha nila dahil ang dinig ko from my sources na Marites, ang pagkukulang ay na kay Risa and their lukewarm response to help Leni's mayoralty candidacy. So parang walang pakialam si Risa Hontiveros sa pagtakbo ni Leni Robredo sa pagiging mayor sa Naga. Oh, may pagkukulang pala itong si Risa at saka si Trillanes. Parang dinedma nila yung gusto ni Leni Robredo. Leni is running in Bicol, the baluarte of Zaldico and his minions. Zalde is the Ako Bicol party list congressman who is the head of the appropriation in Congress. And also the contractor for where the budgets wants. Mga flood control projects, marami sa kanya. That's how fuck up the system is. In short, Leni will be up against so much better funded admin candidates. Leni is asking for help from her fellow kakampings, but what I hear is that due to Risa being afraid of BBM, hala, so takot pala si Risa Hontiveros kay BBM. Remember, Risa never even called out our government or the cinemas for not showing Leni documentary. No support is forthcoming. Ay, oo nga, naramdaman ko no, talagang hindi sinuportahan ni Risa, deadma lang siya. Risa has had a lot of AKAP, DSW projects, but she could not do one in Bicol and do it alongside Leni. That's also what I hear. I can be wrong, but that's what I hear, that Leni wanted some projects done for Naga and sin-zoned. Hala, dinedma lang pala. Nabasa lang tapos walang reaksyon, walang plano, dedma lang. Hindi binigyan ng proyekto na dapat pwedeng makatulong sa people of Naga to promote Leni, pero walang ginawang tulong si Risa daw. Leni wasn't even forced hindi pinorsige, hindi vinote, hindi talaga major na talagang, Madam Leni, you have to run for senator. Wala. Even forced to run senator, wasn't even forced to run as senator when she's the best loved among kakapings. Totoo mga kabibig, no? Akala ko si Leni tatakbong senador. Diba? Kung tatakbong senador si Leni, of course, mananalo si Leni. Ramdam ko talaga. Kasi most love siya ng mga kakamping eh. Was there a visit to her? Suyo? Wala. And this is why the traitors who used her don't want to irk the Marcos or Romualdezes. Wala. Prior to this, Trillanes said in his own X account that Risa shouldn't run as Leni's VP because Risa is even better than Leni. Oh, nabasa ko din yung tweet ni Trillanes na mas maganda lang tumakbo si Risa kumpara kay Leni. This after they made Leni be their hateful mouthpiece last election. I don't know if Risa and Leni have issue in themselves. Although, ito kabibig, ang chismis na si Leni parang nasaktan kasi kulang ng suporta kina Risa, but we're finding out about this issue because Trillanes is mounting up. Parang feel ni Leni ba na parang pinabayaan na ako, parang after nila ako nagamit bilang natakbong presidente, ngayon parang tatakbo akong mayor, karapat dapat din si Leni tumakbong senator. PRRD also assured kakamping so very early in his presidency that Leni will never be impeached or replaced by BBM. I think this started the resentment by Lisa towards PRRD, especially as BBM wasn't given a cabinet position. Let's all be honest, Sara doesn't need Leni. Leni is so powerless. She is running in a majority position and supported by her previous with attack dog Trillanes, besmirching her name unnecessarily. Mga walang utang na loob, mana sa mga Marcos Romualdez. Oo nga kabibing, no? Kawawa din sa Madam Leni. Oy, kung isipin mo, madami talagang kakamping na susuporta sa kanya kung tatakbo siyang senador. Chel isn't LP anymore, but I am not sure if you're allowed to be a member of two parties. But he was just sworn in by Risa in Akbayan. Ay, oo nga, no? So talagang, meron pa bang LP? Or nagkawatak-watak na ang LP? So if buo pa kayo, hindi na rin. And that's because it's the nature of the beast that is politics. Traitorous all around. Me, personally, I hated Lenny, but I also recognized that she was a mere puppet of the Liberal Party, plucked out from nowhere because her life paralleled Corazon Aquino's. She's hardly a mastermind, not like Martin is. I do grudgingly admire that she did not sidled up to BBM for power and just quietly sneaked back to her city instead of becoming like Risa or Layla or Trillanes who forgot their principles in exchange of promises and power. Pero ang nabasa ko ngayon, ang sabi naman ni Leni Robredo, nagsalita na siya, walang partido, walang neutral dito pagpupunta sa Peña Francia. And take note, nagpunta din pala sina Senator Bong Revilla at DILG Secretary Binhor Abalos. Binisita nila si Leni Robredo September 21. So kahapon si BP Sara, ngayon si Binhor Abalos. Oh, para yatang maraming gustong makipag-usap kay Leni Robredo after bumisita si VP Sara. Anong meron? Yun na makabibig. Bibisitahin kaya si Leni Robredo ni Risa, ni Trillanes? Or i-dead mo na lang forever? Or bahala na lang si Leni, bahala na Leni, dead man na lang. Kaya niyang buhay niya. Oh, sana masolve ang problema nila. Yun lang po makabibig. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.